Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel RGK. Today in this video we are going to discuss 20 top questions asked in every exam. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote Sanskrit grammar? Answer: Panini. Question number 2. Who was the last British viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Mountbatten. Question number 3. Washing soda is also known as? Answer: sodium carbonate. Question number 4. Baking soda is also known as? Answer: sodium bicarbonate. Question number 5. Who wrote the book A Nation in the Making? Answer: Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 6. What is the ratio of RBC to WBC? Answer: 600:1. Question number 7. Which city is the Silicon Valley of India? Answer: Bengaluru. Question number 8. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? Answer: 1911. Question number 9. What is the chemical name of salt? Answer: sodium chloride. Question number 10. By whom is the Speaker of Lok Sabha elected? Answer: all the members of Lok Sabha. Question number 11. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Answer: hydrophobia. Question number 12. Who was the author of the book My Experiment with Trust? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 13. Which planet is known as the Earth twin? Answer: Venus. Question number 14. Which state has the largest wasteland area? Answer: Jammu Kashmir. Question number 15. Who has been called Napoleon of India? Answer: Samudragupta. Question number 16. After Saura incident, Gandhiji suspended the? Non-cooperation movement. Question number 17. Which is the largest river basin in India? Answer: Ganga basin. Question number 18. Largest freshwater lake of the world is? Answer: Lake Superior. Question number 19. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Answer: 5th June. Question number 20. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? Answer: 250.